In today's stressful life, owning a hot tub can not only improve your health, it can also create quality time for the entire family. Stay safe in your own backyard and save top dollars on traveling and visiting day spas and massage centers. If your spa or hot tub needs repairs, Acura Spa Systems has created an easy and affordable way to fix and rejuvenate it yourself. Buy factory direct from one of the oldest manufacturers of spa pumps, controls, blowers, and heaters, Acura Spa Systems. For the past 34 years, Acura Spa Systems has provided parts for more than 1.5 million spas and all brands of hot tubs, no matter who the maker of your spa or hot tub is. Whether you're in the USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, or anywhere else, we can help you replace the pumps, controls, heaters, and blowers with made-in-the-USA parts. As a homeowner, you can save hundreds of dollars by purchasing direct from our factory in Riverside, California. Our experienced staff has made it easy for thousands of consumers around the world to replace their existing controls and pumps with our high-quality, affordably priced parts. We'll only recommend the needed parts to avoid unnecessary repairs and expenses. Rejuvenate your old spa or hot tub yourself and save hundreds of dollars on service fees and enjoy quality times with your loved ones. We offer a 5-year corrosion resistance warranty on our patented titanium heaters. Tired at work? Cannot wait to go home and relax in your hot tub? Install our Wi-Fi systems. Save energy and control your tub from the luxury of your cell phone. If you know which parts you need, please visit our website at www.acuraspa.com and place your order today. If you do not know what you need, you can custom make a spa control to fit your application. Simply email us pictures of the inside of your spa, and our experienced staff will assist you. First, make sure the front cover of the electrical control box is removed. Include a picture of the topside controllers sitting on the spa's deck. Take a photo of the pumps, heater, blower, and all electrical accessories you have inside the spa cabinet. Our knowledgeable staff will tell you what will work best for your personal application at an affordable price. Just email the photos and all inquiries to sales@acuraspa.com. To speak with one of our spa or hot tub professionals, call us at 951-684-6667, extension 223.